every day is a task, and I seriously want to make it easy for you because this is a difficult task for me too. It's Monday, so it's bakery style chicken bread, easy to make, and it's a crowd favorite. I've taken 2 to 3 cups of wheat flour and yeast, salt, sugar, and I'm just making a dough. This is the toughest part of the entire bread because I don't really enjoy making the dough, but things have to be done. I'm happy with the way this dough turned out to be. Sometimes it doesn't rise, especially because of the cold weather here in UK. It's impossible for the dough to rise properly. But I used hot water. Uh, Although it's not recommended, it's recommended to use lukewarm water. If you live somewhere else which is not very cold, then you can just use lukewarm water and it will rise really well. Now I'm just going to overlap these slits, these cuts over each other so that the chicken is completely covered and uh, and it looks beautiful. This part is the most therapeutic part. You can spread some butter or egg on top of the bread and just sprinkle some sesame seeds or oregano. Bake it at 180 degrees for 35 minutes and it's going to be done. Tuesday is chicken roast and vegetables day. It's important to make these cuts on your chicken. That's because the marinade that you're going to make will go completely inside the chicken and it will become juicy and flavorful. Otherwise, it will just stay on the top. And yes, I took chicken with skin because normally when you go to Nando's or have rotisserie chicken, they've got skin on chicken and it's really good for health and it's also flavorful. I'm making chicken on the stove in a frying pan. You can also bake it. The cooking time is going to be more than if you do it on the stove, but it's your choice. I boiled these potato cubes, put some zira masala, oregano, salt, and red chili powder, and I then put it some oil in it and then baked it for 10 to 15 minutes with the grill on. Let's dish it out. When you spend a lot of time cooking nice dinner, then you should spend more time and creativity in serving it to your family so that they appreciate your cooking and you also feel great about cooking a good dinner. Wednesday, it's midday of the week, and you don't really know what to cook. This is an easy peasy recipe. I've just sauteed some chicken fillets and now I'm making the gravy. Sauteed some red onions, put some milk in it, and then I'm going to add some tomato puree. And cook it for some time before adding cheese because that's what's going to elevate the gravy. I made some garlic rice on the side. You can have it with bun or any other pasta. And it's a good dish, very simple to make and yummy at the same time. At this point, seriously, I just wanted good homemade dinner and this is what it was. Thank God. Allah ka shukr. It's a vegetarian day, palak paneer. Paneer is really good, lots of protein and healthy fats. So I just fried some paneer, cottage cheese, and now I'm making the gravy. Lasagna is my family's favorite. It's kids' favorite, husband's favorite, everybody's favorite. So if you make it at home, I'm sure everybody's going to like it. Layering lasagna is an art. You need to put in every layer carefully. I used uncooked lasagna sheets. They cook in really well. What I do is I increase the gravy of white and red sauce so the pasta sheets actually cook inside. The baking time is more, but I find this way more easy. Go and make these yummy dishes next week. Hope your week plan is sorted so that you don't have to worry about what to make every day. Bye bye.